Let's do some negative abs using the tubing for support. So go ahead and put it around 1 foot. And it doesn't really matter which one. You can even go halfway through and change it. But then you're going to cross the tubing. Go ahead and lay on your back. And I'm not going to put my head down. And then you're going to anchor the tubing to your belly. You can either start with 1 leg or 2. You do not want to allow the back to come off the floor. So you want to keep that back compressed. Now, if you can't go all the way down, that's okay. You can also help on the up. So this is a great way to baby you through some of these exercises so that you can increase your strength much quicker. Then I'm going to go ahead and do a little angle. So notice, down on one butt, lift. So it's a baby semicircle, up and down. Now we're going to engage those obliques a little bit. Press. Take a nice deep breath in. Focus, and then I'm going to hold right dead center in the middle. Lock the tubing to your belly. Compress your rib cage. Hold it right there, and we are done. Abdominals with the help of tubing. Until next time.